So many people have commented how to import financial statements to Excel. So I have decided to make a video and show you how to do financial statements in Excel. Right? Let's begin. So personally use a screener. I feel comfortable with this. So you go to screener, type the name of any company that you want to deal with. Right? I've gone to TCS, and here we have the graph. Here we have peer companies. Here quarterly results. Now I have profit and loss statements. So what I do is I'm gonna copy from dates till dividend payout and just gonna copy them, Control C, and open a new brand Excel sheet from B2. Okay, B2. I'm gonna say Control Alt V. Control Alt V. It gives you pay special. Now go to text and press OK. It it copies and pastes as a text format, right? So the only thing that you have to do is cut this and paste it here. Anyways, we don't need the TTM. Control minus. So this is what finally we got. This is the statement of profit and loss. Similarly, you can drag the other statements as well, like let's say the balance sheet. I'm gonna copy from here, and I'm gonna say copy, go to Excel, right here, Control Alt V, go to text and press enter. Okay, right. Cut this and paste it here. Okay, now you have the balance sheet as well, right? And now you have the cash flow. If you want the cash flow for a financial modeling purpose, then it's best if you can open everything and copy it in detail instead of just copying it from the copy everything and go to Excel, right? Right here, I'm gonna say Control Alt V and go to text format and press OK. Right, I have the statement of cash flow here as well. So these are the things that we can do, and let's do a little bit formatting so that it looks nicer, right? So I'm gonna say Alt WVG, remove the grid lines, and I'm gonna zoom it a bit so that it is visible properly. Okay, now it's good. And here I'm gonna say here, okay, and I'm going to color this, go home, right? And I'm gonna say this color and font as a white and bold it. Okay. Now I'm gonna add a new column here. Let's add a new column, right? And just remove the color. It's not okay. Now income statement. I'm gonna color this as black, right? So this is income statement. This is a balance sheet. Okay. This is a balance sheet, right? I'm just gonna color so that it looks nicer. Copy this, paste it, and right, balance sheet. And I'm just gonna reduce this, put a hash here so that it's easy for the navigation for the hash, right? So I'm gonna copy the same thing here, copy this, and paste it. This is not a balance sheet. cash flow statement, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna freeze the panel. Alt WFF. Right. Now it looks fantastic, isn't it? So this is how you do it. This is income statement. This is a balance sheet. This is a cash flow. Okay. So you can do other formattings and make it as a data, right? Name this sheet as data, and do not try to change this data, and keep on adding other sheets for financial modeling, right, to project the historical and everything, but do not change any number in this. Okay, manually don't type anything here or do something in this page, in this sheet, right? And it is better to label this as a red color so that it signifies do not change data in this tab, right? So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching and follow for more content like this.